What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Caesar's Lab. So I'm sure some may be wondering, how do you convert 3D models into real life objects? So that is where manufacturing drawings come in. Manufacturing drawings, otherwise known as professional 2D drawings or engineering drawings. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create engineering drawings in SolidWorks. Before we create the 2D drawing, let's quickly understand a key concept, which is the orthographic projection. It is how you turn a 3D object into a clear 2D view that a manufacturer can use to produce the part. So here I am creating an object to help explain what an orthographic projection is. I will explain first angle projection and third angle projection. So these projections help us to visualize and imagine you are looking at an object that is in a transparent box. So the box will allow you to view it from different sides. So here is our transparent box, and then when I click on the side of a box, it'll then show me the view, which is the object projected now to that particular side of the box. I am making this sketch to explain the difference between first and third angle projection. The main difference is where the object sits relative to the viewer and the projection plane. So going back to the transparent box analogy, the projection plane would be the side of the box that you are viewing from. You can think of it this way. In first angle projection, the object is between the viewer and the plane. Okay, so it means that the plane is behind the object. And then third angle, the plane is between the viewer and the object. So now the plane is separating the viewer and the object. In terms of the symbols, this is the first angle. It's the first angle because you have your front view and the left view is projected to the right plane, and then it's the opposite for the third angle projection. Another interesting way of looking at this is say you are in first angle, you are pushing the object's shadow through the object onto the wall. Another interesting way of looking at it is, like I said, first angle, the object is between the viewer and the plane, right? So looking at it this way, you are pushing the object's shadow onto the wall behind it, okay? And then in third angle projection, the shadow of the object falls onto the screen between you and the object. To make this a bit interesting, what I did was I drew or I modeled a car. Well, these are the type of cars we used to draw when we were young, with sharp corners and yeah. But I did this just so it can help you understand and then I put the sides, I put labels on the sides. So for the front view, I wrote front, so that you know exactly what is happening. Now we are putting this into action. So we have our car, and we'll start with the third angle. Like we explained earlier, third angle, the plane is separating the viewer and the object. Okay, so if I view this object from the right side, this on your right here would be what you see. You'd be seeing the right side of the car. Okay, and then same applies when you view the box from the top, such that the plane is separating you, the viewer, and the object. That is what you would see. And then it's the opposite for first angle, because now the object is between you and the plane. Okay, so what you see is projected onto the plane behind the object. Please note that this video was basically meant to show you what an engineering drawing is, as opposed to showing you how to do a detailed engineering drawing. Maybe I'll do another video on how to do a detailed engineering drawing in the future.